Hello guys, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. So here's an update on what's going on with DailyMotion. Today is day 90 since I've started with uploading my videos from my demonetized YouTube channel, which is a compilation channel dealing with the health and beauty niche. So since that channel got demonetized, I've copied the videos over to DailyMotion 90 days ago, and I've uploaded maybe initially about once a day and then once every few days. Anyhow, this is the traffic or views in the last 30 days. So about 1,862 views, and at the beginning of the last 30 days, something weird happened. I was usually getting about 10 to 20 views a day, and then all of a sudden I start getting this super high trend right here. So here's the weird part. During that uphill trend, I was making about $3 to $5 plus a day from starting here September 11 all the way to September 20, so roughly a good 10-day run, and I thought it was going well. Uphill trend right here, and then something else weird happened and it dropped back down, and now I'm cruising about 10 cents a day or less with 50 views. So with 1,862 views, the total net revenue is €22.01. So that translates to about $25 for roughly 2,000 views. So that is way over $10 CPM ad rate, which is pretty high. So that's the update. My uphill trend has gone down, and now I will just keep on continue uploading every few days and see how it goes for the next 30 days, and I'll report back. Be sure to subscribe for more updates. Thanks again, and happy marketing.